Hey guys, so this is just a short clip, it's a short video. You guys can go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. So this is a token to my aunt. Her name is Miss Jacqueline Livermore. So you know that this Sunday coming is Mother's Day. By the time this video is uploaded, it will be Mother's Day. Miss Jacqueline Livermore, aka Auntie. I just want to convey my sincere gratitude to you for never giving up on me, for taking me up as your own. My mom passed away from I was 14 years old, and she has been my rock. She has been the person that I always fall back on, and I just want to convey my sincere gratitude to her too and tell you Happy Mother's Day. So you are going to go on your veranda, and I sent you a gift from Annie.